All right, this video is to help with 9.1 homework, question number 16. And we have to solve this. Sorry, it got cut off there a little bit. Maybe I'll move it over. Hopefully we can see it all now. Question 16. So to solve this, we're going to need to square both sides because that'll cancel out the square root. The only trick is before we do that, we want to get rid of this minus 3. Otherwise, we'd have to square this entire left-hand side, which would be kind of messy. So it'll be easier to square if we can isolate this square root. So basically, we want to do this first to get the square root part all by itself. And then we have 5 here. Okay, and now the deal is when you square, right, you can kind of think, what would this look like if you square both sides? Right, so hopefully you can see that it'll clean up this other side because the square and the square root are opposite of each other. So this just wipes that out. And then we have 5 squared 25 on that side, and now just add 23, 48. Sorry for the poor handwriting. Divide by 4, and our answer for x should be 12. All right, hope that helps.